In this episode, we will remove the last item of an element using the remove method. First, let's select this button Remove Last Task because the last item will be removed only when we click on this button. It has the class btn_remove. So open script.js. On the top, let's create a variable remove btn. Then use document.querySelector. Select the class btn-remove. Then at the bottom, use add event listener for this button. So add remove btn.addEventListener. Use click event and a callback function. Inside this function, let's create a new variable and select the last child of the list item. So add a variable last item and use document.querySelector. To select last child, add li: last child. Once we have access to the last child element, we can use the remove method. So add last item.remove. Check the preview. And now, if you click on this button, it removes the last item. Great. This is the end of this finalization. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn JavaScript and the DOM. I will see you again in my next video. Thank you and see you soon.